Molecular attraction. Lech Ignatowicz, CEO. Lech has a PhD in medical science and over 15 years of entrepreneurial experience in infectious disease prevention and its commercialization. Norrsken Amami, CSO. Norrsken is an associate professor at Stockholm University in the field of vector diseases, with over 15 years of mosquito and malaria research. Johan Paleovrachas, chairman of the board. Johan is an entrepreneur with over 20 years of business experience in land and property development in Sweden and Africa.
Mosquitoes can be actually beautiful. There's over 3,000 species of mosquitoes out there, but only 2% of them are drinking blood. And that's the ones which you know, and that's the ones which you hate. It's an $8 billion market to control them, where we're spending over 300 million on buying pesticides to put tens of thousands of tons into our closest environment. Mainly because pesticides are still the most effective way to fight mosquitoes. But the things are changing because of the public awareness and also legislative pressure to phase out pesticides. But most importantly, mosquitoes are learning how to be resistant to pesticides. All of them, all over the world, even to DDT. And this is where we come in. Molecular attraction is using a simple set of molecules which are changing the behavior of mosquitoes and controlling their population at scale. Our first product is a molecule which is tricking blood-seeking females into drinking a solution with natural toxin as if they would be drinking blood. The second is a sex pheromone, which is controlling their mating behavior. And thanks to this, we can disrupt their reproductive cycles. Because we're using very simple mosquito-only molecules, we don't need hardware or GMO modifications, so we can use the same scale and affordability as pesticides without the negative environmental impact. Everything we do is based on cutting-edge science. We published in Science and Nature. We have a very strong IP portfolio, and most importantly, we have years of experience in building a number of companies in service and life science sectors, as well as very strong academic background. So within the next 2 years, we're going to finish the regulatory approval process, and we're going to enter US and EU market for the B2B, targeting mosquito control service providers. And at the same time, we're going to implement a model, low-cost model, for countries where the vector diseases are the most prevalent. So just imagine, we can live with mosquitoes in harmony, but at the same time in a world where there's no malaria and 250,000 children are not dying every year. Join us. Thank you.